Hello, how you doing? It's Mr. Doodle Math here, and today we're going to write linear equations, right? So we're just going to go over, I guess, two, right? So we're going to write an equation when we're given 2 points. All right, let's look at number 4. Let's look at number 4. We're going to do number 5. Number 4, what's the 2 points that they gave us?
8 and -2.
8 and who?
-1.
-1. What's the other point?
-3 and 10.
-3 and 10, right? So with these 2 points, what's the first thing we got to do? All right, so what's the first thing we got to do? We got to find a slope. Number 1. Find slope. Right? Using the slope formula. That's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, so x, y, x, y. So that's 10 minus -1 over -3 minus 8. How many students had that? You had that? Yeah. Cool. So 10 minus negative is 10 plus 1, 11. 3, -3 minus 8, same sign, add and keep. -11. -1 is the slope. So M is the slope, right? So we found the slope. What's the next thing we need to do? Put it in. What's the name of that formula?
Point slope.
Yeah, number 2. All right, we're gonna put it in point slope form. So we got the slope, and we'll use the first point, 8, -1, right? So that's x1, y1. So here we go. Y minus y1, -1, equals m times x minus x1. Right? So yeah, y plus 1 equals, the next thing we're going to do is distribute. So from here, you're going to simplify. Simplify, or we're going to say just solve for y. Solve for y. So simplify, so we get negative x. -1 times -8 is what?
8.
Is it -8? Positive 8? -8?
It's positive.
Why?
Because it's
Negative
same
times
side.
No, it's not.
And then different sides.
Well, this is negative times a negative. It's positive. Alright, I got this on your head, so that's good. Alright, so we got y plus 1 equals -x plus 8. So now let's solve for y.
You gotta do -1.
Gotta subtract 1. Bop.
Both sides.
Bop. Y equals, so we subtracting this 1 from this x, or this 1 from this 8?
8.
For the 8, good. So we got -8, -x is a different sign. Subtract, keep the sign to be the number, then you'll be exact. So plus 7, right? That's it.
You gotta do nothing else.
That's it. Nothing else. Nothing else.
I feel like this is very confusing.
It is.
It's not confusing, but it's unnecessary.
It's confusing?
It's unnecessary.
It's unnecessary?
Nah, it's just,
Oh, man,
I know how to
I would like man.
I know how to do it. I still feel
I don't even
like
like
point
that all
slope.
the time.
Alright, so look, yeah, find the slope, put in point slope, then we can simplify. Yeah, I mean, there's a faster way we can do it, right?
For real?
Yeah. You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we know how to put it in point slope, right? This is a separate lesson, but we're gonna do it today. Alright, so let's get the new point. Let's get our points for number 5. Number 5, what's the point?
619.
619? 619, what else? 2 and 9. Thank you, yeah. Alright. Alright, so first thing we gotta do is find the slope. Alright, let's find the slope. Some of y'all did it already, right? So this is x, y, x, y. Y minus 19, right? Y minus y, y2 minus y1, and then x2 minus x1. 9 minus 19 is what? -10. 2 minus 6? -4. -10 over 4 simplifies to be what?
-5 over 2.
5 over 2. -5 over -2. Thank you. So the slope is 5 over 2, right? We good with that, right? Alright. So we got the slope, and we got a point. Let's use this point, 619. So this is M, and this is a point, right? So what we've been doing is going from point slope to slope intercept. I personally feel like that's the best way to do it. I love doing it that way. It's so smooth. It's a smooth process. Another way to do it is to go from here all the way to slope-intercept form. All right. What's slope-intercept form again? Inside form is what?
So you would be finished like x.
Y equals mx plus b. Thank you. All right. So basically, what you would do is to put it in this form. What you want to do is you got your slopes, right? The first thing you want to do is substitute. I probably should write this down. Substitute your m, your x, and your y, right? Substitute your m, x, and y. So what's y? This is the box we use. 19 equals m 5/2. X is what?
B.
6 plus b. All right. What do you think we got to do now? Distribute. All right. What's that look like?
2 times 6.
Is it 2 times 6?
2 divided by 2.
6 divided by 2. Right. 6 divided by 2 is what? 3. So it'll be 19. Y'all understand why we did this first?
Wait, yeah, but I thought you.
Yeah, y'all good with this?
Yeah.
All right. So that'll be 5 times 3, right? Plus b. 5 times 3 is what? So you got 19 equals 15 plus b. And then you gotta subtract 15. You're gonna solve for b, right? So basically what you have to do is you'll substitute these in. The second thing you wanna do is solve for b, and then rewrite the equation.
They're too long.
I like this one.
All right, so check this out. So look, we subtracted, right? But this is 4. B equals 4, right? So now we got b and the slope. That's from like 2 days ago. We got the slope and we got the y-intercept. So we just put it into this equation here. So it'll be y equals 5/2x plus 4.
That's too long.
I like this one better.
That was too long?
I like this one better.
That was easier?
Yeah.
I don't like that. It's too long.
I like the first one.
That's fast. That's the same thing as that.
Yes. So like basically what we did was
Never.
we went from the slope to the slope-intercept form. Here we went from the slope to point slope to slope-intercept.
I like that.
Slope-intercept.
They both got 3 steps.
They both have 3 steps, right?
Oh, that's tricky.
So with that being said, those people that did number 5, how many students got this for number 5? Yeah? Okay. So like technically I believe this is lesson 3. We just did lesson 2 and lesson 3. Right? So here we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. Let's do the math out.